All right, what's good, YouTube? Golden hour. I see the sun, beautiful weather. Anyway, back to the video. What's good, YouTube? Welcome to another video. In today's episode, I'll be sharing you the pairs I have for the pairs I have on my watch list for next week. So let me show you what today is. This is Saturday. I hope it's clear. Saturday, November 30th, 5:25. So yeah, I'll be sharing the pairs I have for next week. Let's jump to the watch list and show you what I'm going here. So Euro USD is the first pair on the watch list. So as you can see from last week, we already missed all of this. I was not the trend was clear, but I didn't want to buy into resistance. So what we're expecting, let me mark out market structure with you guys together. Just a moment. So what we have here is a high, we have a low. We're expecting a higher high, retest higher low to continue the uptrend. Very simple. So we expect this somewhere here. Sorry, just a moment. Yep, like so. So yeah, this is the first pair on our watch list. Very simple trade. Break and retest. Use this zone to continue the move to the upside. Target easy 1 to 3. Next. That's the first pair on our watch list, Euro USD. I'll send it to the Telegram group later, which is in the link in the description. Let's clear this so I can mark it with you together. So the next pair is NZD USD, which has very high correlation with Euro USD. So as you can see, this was a trade idea from last week. Simple, high, low. So expecting a higher high to form a higher low to continue this higher high. But if that doesn't happen, because it seems like we're losing steam here, if price comes and breaks below this zone like so, I'll be interested in selling. But if price properly breaks above this zone, we'll be interested in buying NZD USD. So that's all for NZD USD. The next pair on our watch list is NZD CHF. Basically the same thing. As you can see, this is a high, this is a low. So we're expecting a higher high to continue this higher low. But it seems we're losing steam on this zone. So if price finds resistance the way it has found 1, 2, 3 times there, so if price comes now and clear this zone, so I'll be looking to sell on this retest to continue to the downside. But if that doesn't happen, if price breaks above this zone in like the way it's giving us bullish price action, properly breaks above the zone, give us a clean retest, I'm interested in going long. Then the next pair, I'm just flying through this because the trade ideas are quite simple. My strategy is simple. I'm not trying to complicate anything. Simple market structure, support and resistance. We find it all the way there. Wow, the sun is looking really good. You can see, sun is looking good. I won't lie. So as you can see, the next pair on our watch list is NZD card. I'm noticing a lot of NZD pairs presenting opportunity. So what we have here is a higher high, because it's higher than this high. We have a higher low, which I missed last week. I was active on this pair last week. This gave us beautiful entries. Let's even go to the 4 hour to make it clearer. All right, network, nice one, bruh. As you can see, the network is acting up. I don't know what's going on. Let me see. The network, okay, yeah, there we go. Network is back. It's part of the things we face in Nigeria. No network. This higher high, this higher low, this higher high. So we're expecting this higher low. So we're expecting a higher high. Simple to give us this higher low to continue the trend. Simple market structure. So expecting that higher high to give us this higher low. But the higher high has not formed yet. I want you to clear this zone properly. After it clears the zone, give us a nice retest. Then we'll enter, continue the bullish move as NZD card on our watch list. The next pair on our watch list is in just a moment. NZD card. Euro JPY. Euro JPY is giving us clean bearish price action. As you can see, I was not active on this pair last week, otherwise these were good opportunities. I just marked them out while back testing, like studying. So as you can see, the clean bearish price action on Euro JPY. Let me reset. Bearish, very clean bearish price action. So what we have here is a high, we have a low. Price gave us a lower high, that gave us this lower low, that gave us this lower high, that then gave us what, this lower low. So I'm expecting this lower low to give us a lower high, to continue the lower low. Quite simple. I will be buying from this. I've been selling from this resistance zone right here. Break and retest. Simple. Yeah. Just something, some nice candlestick formations will enter right there. What next is on our watch list? USD CHF. USD CHF could either go two ways. If USD CHF properly clears this support zone, we'll go and we'll enter at this retest. But as you can see, these are 4-hour candles. Let me remove this for a moment. These are 4-hour candles, and price has spent 4, 4, 8, 12, 16. Price has spent a day here. So there's a high chance price is going to reverse from here. So if price reverses from here and gives us this bullish move, I'll be interested in buying from this retest. Those are the two ways this trade could go. Let me remove this so I can mark it together with you. So what we see here, simple bearish price action. This is a high, this is a low, this is a lower high. The expectation is for this lower high to give us a lower low, to continue the lower high to give us the lower low. Simple market structure. But what seems to be happening here is that this high, low, lower high, price seems to be giving us a double bottom. So if price is unable to break this zone and just impulses to the upside, I'll be very interested in a retest to continue the trend to the upside. So those are the two ways this trade could go. Or if it clears to the downside, also take the retest to continue the trade. But I think I'm favoring the upside more. But we'll see how it goes. You cannot force your idea on the market. You just let the market show you what it wants to do, then you react accordingly. That's for USD CHF. Then GBP NZD was on my watch list last week. I'm waiting for it to clear this zone properly. See, you can see it has been in this channel for, I don't know, God knows how long. It has been here for, let's see, that's 31 days. So I feel like if we clear this zone with proper momentum, we'll go long. So this zone here, I want it to clear to the upside because this support zone is solid. But I'm favoring the upside on this setup. Let me show you what I think I would love price to do. If price comes like so, gives us a little reaction, and clears this zone, I'm interested in buying it at the retest to take it to the upside. Has a huge swing. Let's see. This trade has a lot of potential. Well, you don't know. We're just playing with probabilities. If this happens, yeah, bet your house. Bet your house on this trade idea. I'm just joking. No, risk what you can afford to lose. But yeah, this trade idea looks very solid. If we're able to break out of this channel, that's GBP NZD. So this Euro AUD clean bullish price action. I should have been in these longs already, but unfortunately, I was not monitoring it last week. So this is a higher high, this is a higher low, this is a higher high, this is a higher low, this is a higher high, this is a higher low. After a higher low, what are we expecting? A higher high, except the market decides to reverse. So I'm supposed to have been in this. If I was trading this pair, this would have been my entry right there. That candle, stop loss below the lows, target 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Yep, this would have been it. But yeah, I don't know if we're able to see another entry. Let's go to like the 1 hour and see if we're able to find any other entry. Okay. So on the 1 hour time frame, if price is able to clear this zone, this will be like a re-entry. Clears this zone, give us a retest here, take it. But we could have been in it already. But since we didn't find it early, there's no problem. So yeah, this is the what it could look like. So if we're able to clear this zone right here, we should be buying this pair. Euro AUD. What else is on the watch list? GBP AUD, which I think is similar. Yep, similar. So let's go to the 4 hour. As you can see on GBP AUD, excuse me, we have bullish price action. So let me clean all this structure and let's mark it together. Yeah, so let's go. What you see on GBP AUD is clean bullish price action. So what we have a high, we have a low, we have a higher high, we have a higher low, we have a higher high, we have a higher low. So if this higher low gives us this higher high like so, a little higher low there into that support zone should be able to buy. Yep. And it's also quite clean. So yeah, if the price clears this, maybe closes above with one more candle, then retest. Be interested in taking these buys. That's GBP AUD. GBP card is also quite similar. Bullish price action. I didn't take this trade. The higher high, the higher low, the higher high, higher low. So what we're expecting right now, let me mark this support zone nicely. There are two things that could happen in this setup, right? So this higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So this could give us a higher low, give us a higher high. That's situation A. Then B, if this also happens, because I'm seeing we're tapping into some higher time frame support also. If this this is from a weekly, if it holds and it clears this zone, we'll be interested in selling it. So those are the two scenarios that can happen with GBP card. You can either break and retest to continue to the upside, or we clear to the downside, retest and continue to the downside. So whichever way, we have a lot of pairs. That's all for the. So how many pairs? One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pairs. Doesn't mean we're going to take 10 trades, though. It's just trade ideas, whichever one. Some of them are going to be wrong, some of them are going to be validated, some are going to be invalid. So, yeah, this is all we have for this week. If I'm able to get two or three, or even one, so I'm fine for the week. So, this is all we have for this week. If you made it this far into the video, respect. If you took any value from the video, like, comment, subscribe, ask any questions you have. I'll be sending this trade ideas now to the Telegram group, and it's just Saturday. So if you're in that Telegram group, you have the time to go and also analyze and see if it aligns with yours. And it's just Saturday, so you have Saturday, Sunday to do all of that. Monday as well, you can do it until Monday. So yeah, that's all for the trade idea for the next week. See you in the next episode. Cheers.